In this video, we will discuss the top 6 best cruiser skateboards. So let's get started. Number 6. Playshion Drop-Through Freestyle. The Playshion Drop-Through Freestyle Longboard Skateboard Cruiser is a great drop-through longboard for beginners. It's 39 by 9.1 inches, and the deck is made of 8-ply maple. It's strong and flexible, and can accommodate up to 250 pounds. This cruiser has 7-inch aluminum trucks with soft bushings, which provide a more comfortable ride. It also features large 70x 51mm PU wheels and ABEC 9 bearings. The low ground clearance and drop-through design make it great for kids or adults who are just learning to ride. Number 5. Cal 7 Complete Mini Cruiser. The Cal 722 Complete Mini Cruiser plastic skateboard comes in a wide range of colors, including Arcadia, Classic Blue, Lotus, Mint, and Onyx. The best thing about this cruiser is its low price. It also features a relatively small 22.5 by 6-inch plastic deck, so it fits easily in a backpack or carry-on bag. If you want a skateboard that you can grab and go, this is it. The board has 3.125-inch aluminum alloy trucks, ABEC 7 bearings, and 60mm 78A wheels that are designed to go fast and last a long time. Users like how it feels on the road, and while it's popular among children, it can be used by young adults and college students as well. Number 4. Penny Cruiser Complete Skateboard. The Penny Cruiser Complete Skateboard is an official Penny skateboard backed by a well-known brand. This blackout 32-inch board features the classic waffle non-slip deck. The 54mm 90A wheels are very smooth and designed for cruising around town. The skateboard has ABEC 7 stainless steel bearings, and it's backed by a lifetime manufacturer's warranty, so you have peace of mind should it have any defects. Users like this board because it rolls well and is quiet and smooth. You can ride it comfortably just about anywhere, and since it's not a knockoff, you know you're getting a quality product. Number 3. Quest QT NSC 44C. The Quest QT NSC 44C, the Super Cruiser, is a 44-inch pro-style longboard made of multiply hardwood maple. It's an attractive board with a nice artisan bamboo design. Dubbed the original bamboo longboard, this longboard is made by a company that is known for its high-quality skate, surf, and snow products. It features ABEC 7 bearings and 7-inch aluminum trucks for durability. The longboard is well made and solid. The wheels feel nice on the street, and it can accommodate larger adults without any issues. It also has an excellent nose and kicktail, and nice edges to lock in your feet. Number 2. Magneto Mini Cruiser Skateboard. The Magneto Mini Cruiser Skateboard Cruiser features several fun designs, including bamboo, heartbeat, light bulb, and music. It's a portable board that measures 27.5 inches long by 7.5 inches wide, so it's easy to carry. It has asymmetric double kick tails that allow you to perform flip tricks, ollies, manis, and more. The strong and durable deck is made of 6 plies of Canadian maple, and it has a sand grit finish for grip. The trucks are made of aluminum for reliability and have a 5-inch hanger and kingpin angle of 55 degrees. It's also worth noting that the board doesn't have any plastic parts, which makes it appealing to many users. Number 1. Volador 42-inch Freeride. The Volador 42-inch Freeride Longboard Complete Cruiser features a drop-through deck. The camber concave deck is flexible and acts as a shock absorber. The board is made of 8-ply natural maple, and it features aluminum 7-inch kingpin trucks that are adjustable to 45 or 50 degrees, giving you more maneuverability. It also has 70x 51mm 78 APU wheels and ABEC 9 bearings for a smoother ride. Users love the wide variety of designs available, from banana tree and floral vintage to Fuji summer and polar bear. The board is very supportive, even if you're over 200 pounds. It's very sturdy and reasonably priced. One issue is the stickers can be hard to peel off and leave behind a sticky residue. Also, the bearings could be of better quality.